Hey guys, it's me Pondakal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money by trading. I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can follow along and implement everything that I'm going to show you in this video. So in order to start to trade online, firstly you need an account on some kind of platform, okay? And one of the trusted platform is Olymp. They have also recently partnered with Ronaldinho at this time, okay? And you can create an absolutely free account, and also you can get a demo account with $10,000 fund inside this trading account, okay, which you can utilize, or you can practice with this demo account, okay. You can also call it practice account. And I'm going to show you everything inside this demo account, which will give you a proper knowledge on how you need to trade, okay, with a specific strategy to make up to $200 per day online. So now, without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So what firstly you need to there are some things that you need to understand firstly, okay. So this is going to be all the assets that you can trade on, okay. And this type of trading is called fixed time trading, okay. You are going to trade on a fixed time, so in 1 minute whether the market is going to go up or down, that you need to predict. And if your prediction is correct, then you are going to get paid the predecided percentage of profit, okay. For example, if you invest $100 by selecting 1 minute time, okay, and you say market will go up, and after 1 minute is over, if the market is up, then the point where you clicked on this up, then you are going to make 82% profit within 1 minute, okay. But again, if your prediction is wrong, then you can lose this $100. But there is something that is called money management, which I will show you, which will talk in this video, and that will reduce the risk of you losing money, and you can use that money management to make money on a daily basis in this platform, okay. So if you want to trade in real account, okay, you just need to click on here and go to your USD account, or whichever account you have created. You can click on add account and select the currency and trade on that particular currency which you have created account on, okay. And so now let's talk about how actually you are going to trade, okay. So you can see market never goes on a straight line, okay. Every time it goes up and comes down, up and comes down, okay. And you can see there are always a point from where market goes up, okay, and there are always some points from where market falls down, okay. And these points are called support and resistance. As you can see here, from wherever the market goes up, that point is called support, and from wherever the market falls below, that is called resistance. And as you can see in this chart, this is resistance, okay, from where market is going to fall. So what you can predict here is the market is going to go below, okay, and you can place your trade in this way. But there are other things also which we'll talk, okay. So now if 1 minute is over and this market is still down from this red line, then I'm going to make 82% profit within this 1 minute, okay. But if this market goes up from this red line, then I'm going to lose my $100 investment. So now another thing you need to know is the trend of the market, okay. As you can see, whenever the market is going up, okay, you should never trade on the by clicking on down, which I have did at here, okay. If you do that, then most probably you are going to lose your money. So whenever market falls down at a certain point, from that point you can click on up, okay, in this way, and here will be here a green line will appear. Now if the market goes above this green line after 1 minute is over, then you are going to make money, okay. So now here what we need to do is we need to use a money management strategy. So as you can see, that red line, that down that I traded, that made me $100 loss, okay. So now here is the another trade that I have made, which is about going up, okay. Now if it doesn't goes up and if it goes below, then I'm going to lose this $100, or if it goes up, then I'm going to make $100. So this is going to be a simple fixed time trading, okay, which I have explained to you till now. So now I'll show you how you can trade with money management, okay. So let's say, for example, you have $10, $30 and $90, okay, totally. So that happens to be $130 in total. 90, 10, okay. So again we lose this trade also, okay. So now what you need to do is you need to firstly invest $10. Okay, so the market is going uptrend and it is in the resistance at here. Okay, sorry, in support. So now what I can do is I can click on this up. So now if market goes up, I'll make profit 82%, that is $8.20. But if I lose this trade, then what I'll do is I'll trade by investing $30. And if I make profit, then I'm going to get $24. Okay, my $30 investment and this $24, and I'll cover my $10 loss, previous loss, and $14 profit in my second trade. Okay, similarly, if I lose this $30 also, then what I'll do is I'll invest $90 and I'll get return 82% profit. That is, if I become right, then I'll get $73. Okay, now I will cover my $30 previous loss, and again first trade loss $10, total $40 loss, and a $33 profit. Okay, in this way you can trade. Now you have 3 chances to be right. Okay, as you can see, now for now this trade is going in right direction, but it can go down and I may lose this. Okay, so I'll see. Okay, so I made a profit. Okay, so now in this condition I made a profit, so I'll invest again $10. Okay, so market is going up. Okay, it is in the resistance, so we cannot trade right here, but still I need to show you. So let's click on this up by investing $10. So now let's wait for some time. As you can see, market is going up. These are resistance, these are support. Okay, we have made trade on resistance, which is a little bit risky. If you could have trade on this type of points at here, then that could be a good thing. But again, I need to show you how these things work. So let's watch what happens in this trade. Okay, so we made our profit at here still. Okay, so let's again invest another $10. Okay, so we lost our $10, so now we can invest our $30 because it is in a support. Okay, sorry, yeah, it is in the support line, so we can take risk and invest our $30. So if we make profit, then I will cover our previous $10 loss and $14 profit in this trade. Okay, and if we made this profit, then again we will go to investing $10. Okay, in that way this game works. Okay, but as always you need to understand that in trading there's always going to be risk. Okay, you may lose your full investment. Okay, that is 90 plus 40, $130. Okay, but always target a profit of $200 per day. Okay, and risk $130 per day to make that $200. And if you lose $130, then you stop trading and trade in next day by targeting $200 by using the same strategy that I have shown you in this video till now. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you like this video, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. And as you can see, we have made $24 profit, we have covered our previous $10 loss and made a $14 profit. Now again we can invest $10 at here. Okay, so guys, altogether this much was thing that I wanted to show. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.